Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you two quick and easy ways to insert a location symbol directly into Microsoft Word. Let's get started. The first method uses Word's built-in icon library, which is perfect for modern versions of the software. First, head up to the Insert tab on your ribbon and click on Icons. In the search bar on the right side, type the word location. You will see a few different professional styles. Choose the one that fits your document and click Insert. Once the icon is in your document, you might notice that it is difficult to move around. To fix this, select the icon, go up to the Graphics Format tab, click on Wrap Text, and choose In Front of Text. Now you can drag the icon freely to exactly where you need it. You can also easily change the icon's color by using the Graphics Fill option in the same menu. Now for the second method, if you are using a version of Word that does not have the icons menu, you do not need to waste time downloading images from the internet. Instead, simply press the Windows key and the period key at the same time to open your system's built-in emoji keyboard. Type location and click the pin symbol to drop it right into your text. Alternatively, you can just type the code 1F4CD directly into your document and then press the Alt and X keys together. Word will instantly convert that code into a location pin. And that is it. Two simple, fast ways to insert a location symbol without ever leaving your document. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point guides. Thanks for watching.